Hats off to you. Unveiling the meaning. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unwrap the layers of a popular English phrase, hats off to you. Often heard in conversations, this phrase carries more than its literal meaning. So, if you're curious to know what it signifies and when to use it, you're in the right place. The phrase, hats off to you, is an idiom used to express admiration or respect towards someone for an achievement or for something impressive they have done. It's like giving someone a round of applause through words. Traditionally, taking off one's hat was a gesture of respect, and this phrase has carried that sentiment into modern language. Understanding the roots of a phrase can often give us more insight into its usage and meaning. Hats off to you dates back to a time when men wore hats more frequently as part of their daily attire. Removing the hat was a sign of respect, acknowledgement, or greeting. Over time, this gesture transformed into the figurative language we use today. Context is crucial when it comes to idioms. Use hats off to you when you want to congratulate someone sincerely or show deep respect for their accomplishments. It fits well in both formal and informal settings, but ensure the situation warrants such high praise. Examples: after a friend runs a marathon, hats off to you for completing that marathon, it's a huge achievement. Acknowledging a colleague's hard work, hats off to you for leading the project so successfully. Like many idioms, hats off to you can be tweaked while maintaining its essence. Phrases like, I tip my hat to you, or kudos to you, carry similar meanings. They're all ways of showing respect or admiration but can add a bit of variety to your language. And there we have it. Now you not only know what hats off to you means but also understand its origins, usage, and variations. Whether you're congratulating someone on a personal victory or acknowledging their professional accomplishments, this phrase adds a touch of respect and admiration to your words. So, hats off to you for taking the time to enrich your English vocabulary with us today. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.